everyone. This is Prizm Fast Break 4-box number 28. All right, guess the first auto as I take out the packs. What's up, Jewel? What's up, Hope? Cool. There's Abigail, or Abigail. Abigail. So the bounty, the Damon bounty, is if you hit any card number to 10 or less of a rookie. If you do that, you win $250 in credit. And then we also random off 50 to the break. Let's just call it the Damon bounty. Then we will do one more of these. We'll do one more of these because the Magic are off. And then we can circle back to it later. What kind of wine? Red or white? Nice. Yeah. If I drink wine, I don't really drink it. It's red. Good luck. Let's do some stuff. Let's hit some stuff. I want to hit a big bronze. We have Bam for the Heat, blue. Sorry for the noise. She'll be off soon. Rookie silver of Jalen Duran for the Pistons. Roger Sekar. Hardy rookie. Pippen. Disco. Lottery at Daniels. Marjan rookie. Pink. Nice veteran pink. DeRozan for the Chicago Bulls. And we have Caleb Houston for the Magic. It's annoying. Anyone guess Caleb Houston? Prismatic of Giannis. Jabari rookie. Purple. It's Conley for the Jazz. What's up, City? There's Agbaji. Kendall. Bronze. Good luck. Nice. Jalen with an E. Variation. Brother Glory's on the board. Wow, let's see a big bronze rookie. I hit one of the Luka bronzes his rookie year. We'll take it. Heels. You get a DeJounte Murray bronze. I like DeJounte. Ooh, jersey number. 5 of 20. Nice hit, Heels. 5 of 20 on DeJounte. Brooks, Prismatic of the King. Widescreen of the King. Tobias Harris. Wendell Carter Silver. Sohan. That is box number 1. Pink. So much color in this. Nice. I hit all the Kawhi color and George. Clippers. Howdy. It's not stopping Howdy there. Because we're getting a Musa for the Clippers. Oh, Howdy. All right, guess the next auto. Since this auto came out early. The next auto for 16. Crazy industry up in here. We have new people in the chat and haven't emailed shipping at the Buzz already? What are they doing? Blue of Will Barden.
Are we happy about the Knicks' performance?
Honestly, no. If they didn't play that well.
Yeah, they could have lost, right?
Yeah.
Like it was kind of a close game for the most part.
Yeah, there was like 15 lead changes. Lofton. Rookie Silver. But the good thing is they split it, and if they play well, you know, they'll have a game where they can play well.
At the beginning of the season, did you think they would get this far?
No, I wanted them to tank. I still wanted them to tank, though. No, you want to tank. This is the year to tank. NBA's tanking is important. No, but obviously...
Eastern Conference Finals are bust for Esplez now.
Jabari! Byron variation. I wanted to tank because they're 1 player away. But the rumors are we might trade for Kawhi. If we traded for Kawhi, then that's the play. If we had Kawhi this year, we might be finals favorite. Like we'd be like favorites.
It seems like it's kind of wide open this year. Like there's a lot of teams that are like good, but nobody's like incredible. Like there's a lot of years where you know, like the Cavs Warriors year, like you kind of knew it was going to probably be them. There's only like 1 or 2 teams that even had any chance of beating them.
Ewing, red.
It just seems like kind of like anybody could probably win at this point. Not anybody.
Yeah,
but
I think the Lakers are doing it.
Yeah.
I think they're going to do it. Chet.
But even still, like they're not the overwhelming favorite, is what I'm saying. Like the Lakers can do it. Like Denver can do it. Like all these teams can do it. I think Phoenix is kind of dead without.
No, the Phoenix can't.
Yeah, they're dead without CP3 now.
No, even before them, they're dead. They're dead. You know, this literally any team, I think, besides the Heat and the Suns.
Like the Sixers could do it.
That's what I'm saying. Besides the Heat and it's like the Heat and the Suns are the only teams strong dead.
It was like parity.
Obviously, the Knicks. Most people would say the Knicks, but I'm not gonna say it.
There's usually not like this much parity. Like anybody can win.
There's pink.
That's why I've watched more
Of Jokic.
because I used to watch like in years past like all the first round series except for like the 4-5 matchup would be like a sweep and it was like boring. So I would only ever watch when they got to the conference finals.
Grant Hill auto.
Like literally, I would only watch until they got down to the final 4 teams.
Yeah, the playoffs this year has been really good.
Yeah.
No, like I've said it throughout the day. Anthony Davis is the best player in the league. He is the best player when healthy in the entire league.
I've seen him play against Steph when he was on the Pelicans.
He dominated them. Yeah,
No,
like
no, they got swept.
no, but but his numbers were insane.
Oh yeah.
We have a Chet Blue for Brother Glory.
Yeah, AD played great.
He's the best player in the league. I'll take him over anyone.
I was at the game where they had to beat them to get in the playoffs like late in the regular season. I went to that game.
Ivy
and Davis literally took the game over and they won. And you would have thought it was a playoff game because for them it kind of was.
LaMelo.
Like Golden State, I think, might have been the year Golden State had 70 wins or 71 wins.
Raid, nice. Of Magic Johnson for the Lakers.
Went to game 4, and the Pelicans were up by like 14 points with like 4.5 minutes to go, and they lost with overtime. Curry hit this like falling out of the arena.
No, he got fouled.
And he got fouled, and they didn't call it.
Yeah, I saw.
I was at that game. It was insane.
Chet variation for the Thunder. Nice piece.
It's crazy that you remember that game too. You were probably in New York.
Mark Williams, purple for Heels. Yeah, LeBron, he's not losing to the Warriors. This is the most evenly matched he's been in a series against the Warriors. Every time he's massive dogs. He was a small. Now they're the favorites to win the series, but he's not losing to them. This being this close. Blue of DeRozan. Baisley, Keegan. All right, one box left.
Crazy industry.
Yeah, it's a Heels and Clay. Heels and Glory. Heels knows fast break. He's one of the sharper fast break people in the industry. He is. He is. Purple, Josh Hart. The guess would have been Keels if I said guess last auto. Derek was a talker, though. He was talking. He's a talker. But yeah, Counselor. Randall looked really good. When he passes, it's like it's incredible. This guy is the best player in the league when healthy. This is his time. This is his time. Pink of Anthony Davis. 41 of 50. Like Randall, it's just so much more fun to watch Randall when he's passing the ball. It's just so much more fun. But they were like with like the double teams on him were extreme, so he was forced to pass. But like, yeah, Ivy. It was just like Stephen Curry blue for Empress. My new teams are hitting. Yeah, we'll see. Shaden variation for Jacobs. And we have Raid of Spencer Dinwiddie. Well, the Randall haters were right in round 1. His numbers were atrocious in round 1. So his first game in round 2. Brother Glory is a genius. It's a Chet algorithm case. Blue of Chet. No, I know. Well, yeah. Another Duran silver. It's a Chet algorithm case. I take the Thunder in the next couple. Thunder algorithm case. I mean, Chet algorithm. No, but I expect him to get 36, 30. Yeah, no, they just figured beyond healthy legs, really push for the game 1. He's not going to play 44. He'll probably play 36. He's not going to play 44. What a break. Take the next one. Next one's hitting. Yeah, but what did he shoot from 3? I feel like he was low 30s. If he was 37% or higher, it'd be different. Then it's like I think he's 32. That's such a massive difference. This stuff is nice. I think it was just, yeah, like making a push. The game plan was to perfection, the way they defended Golden State. And he was just dominating on the boards. The first half, 9 for 10. It was incredible. Chet, Steph, and Chet. It's pretty cool. Nice algorithm. I don't know. It's just so crazy.